What?
Fridgescaping is the new and quirky trend that allows you to elevate your refrigerator through decoration.
You have got to be kidding. Fridgescaping? Enough. This is not real. This is not real. They just think they're going to go viral, so they're buying it as it's a joke, right? This is all like one big internet joke where they're all going to be like, of course, we were just trying to go viral. Nobody's really doing this, right? I swear people will do anything but invest and plan for the future. Fridgescaping? How much are people spending on this? Okay, so for the people who are serious about their future and not wasting time fridgescaping, here's what you're going to do. You are going to go to a website like Charles Schwab, and you're going to go right here, open an account. And you're going to open two accounts, an individual brokerage and a Roth IRA. The purpose of doing this is that you really shouldn't touch the money that's in your Roth IRA until you're 59 and a half. It's for the future. It's for retirement. It's not for now. But what if you're in your early 50s and you want to retire a little bit earlier? That's why you have the individual account. However, what you put in both of these accounts is very important. Here's what I mean. Higher growth investments like a tech-based ETF or even individual companies that are tech or growth focused should probably go in the Roth IRA. That's because you're trying to avoid a big tax bill in the future. Whereas smaller growth investments like an S&P 500 index fund could maybe go in your individual brokerage account. Even though you will owe taxes on any dividends, it's likely going to be a lot smaller than, say, some stock like Nvidia or a tech ETF that's up 800% in a decade. F-Tech is a tech-based ETF, and you can see that in the last 10 years, it's up 453%. Whereas something like SPLG and S&P 500 index fund is only up 178% in the last decade. And if you wanted to go the route of individual stocks, something like Nvidia, which is up 165% in the last year and 2,400% in the last 5 years, would likely be a better fit for your Roth IRA. Whereas something like Coca-Cola, which yes, is up 21% in the last year, but in the last decade is only up 68%, and it pays a 2.72% dividend, might be a better fit for your individual account. All right, stop fridgescaping, start investing, smash that follow. Thanks for watching. See you later. Fridgescaping, I can't believe that's really a thing. You've got to be fucking kidding me.